Hi guys! It's been a while. I haven't filmed a video in a really long time. I saw some of you requesting some videos, but I've been so busy with planning a wedding, moving house, changing jobs. It's been a real year. So I've been finally, by the end of the year, I've been able to settle down and be able to film again. So I already started a video yesterday. I'm gonna try do a weekly vlog. I'm gonna see how that goes, but I'm not really sure if I'm gonna be able to finish it, but I'm really gonna try. I'm really want to try because I want to do some creative things, and I've been like stuck in a 9-to-5 job at an office, so I really would love to be able to be creative again. So I hope by doing videos again I'll be able to activate, sounds so weird, to start, you know, doing more, how do I call it, you know, like things that I like doing. I'm gonna start off with the Garnier Skinactive. I like this one because I've been using it for a couple of years and it doesn't have any reaction to my skin. I have real sensitive skin. I'm gonna look at the viewfinder sometimes to make sure that I don't look weird. I have really sensitive skin, so my skin reacts to things really easily, but this one just is the best moisturizer I've been using for a really long time. So I'm really happy with that, and I've tried expensive ones, cheap ones. This is the best one out there for me, you know. If you want to try other things, you can, and if you have any suggestions, let me know. But it's a really good price point and it's a really good moisturizer, so, and I use a lot of it, so I'm happy with it. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do some concealer. Today I just want to show you some makeup, how I do it as of lately. I just apply it a little bit here, a little bit here. You can see that I haven't done this in a really long time because I forgot to put my mirror down, and now I have to look at the viewfinder to be able to know where to put my concealer and how to blend it out. I don't put a lot of makeup on when I go to work or my day-to-day life because I just don't want to look cakey. Especially now the summertime is over, I just don't, you know, I'm not used to putting a lot of makeup on. I'm sorry, I'm just using the Fenty Beauty, the Filtr foundation in 420. It's one of my favorite foundations. It's equal to the one that I use from Maybelline, the Fit Me foundation from Maybelline. I use that one in 350, 355. It's a much better price point. I think this one is 40 euros and the Fit Me foundation is like 12 to 13 euros, so it's much more affordable. I have no idea who's gonna watch this video, but I really don't care. I have people asking me to do videos, but I literally didn't expect anybody to care really if I uploaded videos or not. But it's nice to know that some people like my videos, that I'm not doing this just for me, that there are people out there who's like really enjoying it. Like even family members and friends are asking me like, when are you gonna film a video? Like, it's really encouraging, especially because it's really weird to sit in front of a camera and talk when there's nobody in the house, and it is a bit embarrassing, really. You should try it. You should try to sit in front of a camera and try to talk to it and don't look like a fool. It's really difficult. I'm sorry I'm looking down. I'm just trying to find my eyebrow pencil from... But one sec. I'm back. I found my brow pencil. I use the Anastasia. Focus. Yes. It's Anastasia Brow Wizz. I love this pencil. And it has a really good spoolie at the end. But this time I'm going to use a little bit of a small mirror to be able to do my eyebrows. I hope you can still see what I'm doing, but now that my eyebrows are done, I'm going to do my eyeshadow. I don't really do eyeshadow, but just I contour my, what is it called? The crease. I just use the Huda Beauty Smokey Obsession palette. Is that what it's called? It's that one with the nude shades. I'm just gonna use the, I'm gonna try to show you. It's this shade right here. It's the middle one. And I'm just gonna put it right into the crease with the fluffy brush. Yep. Same thing on the other eye. And really, if you know how to do this, I do this in like 5 minutes. But now that I'm filming it and talking to the camera, it's taking me much longer to do this. And I'm just gonna use the darker color on the left side of the palette to just put it right here. And then I just rub out the brush, because I just use the same brush. I'm not gonna take another brush to do the same, almost the same crease color. I really don't. Except if it's like a really light crease color and I use a really dark accentuating color, then I use another brush. But honestly, I'm not a makeup artist, so I just... Did you see that? How did I do that? When did that happen? Just gonna finish this eye first and I'm gonna... It's gone. But I'm gonna look in the small mirror to make sure it doesn't look dark. No, it's okay. I was able to blend it out with my foundation. Now, the next thing I want to do is I'm gonna do my eyeliner. Yes, I'm gonna do my eyeliner. But I'm gonna do it in a small contact mirror so that I don't make any mistakes. Okay. Now I'm gonna try to do the same thing on the other eye without making any mistakes, which we all know is not gonna happen. Now that my eyeliner is done, I just forgot to mention which eyeliner I was using. I was using the, let me focus here, the Catrice It's Easy Black Liner in the color Blackest Black. So if you want to try it, it's a really affordable one, but I don't know if it's available outside of Europe. But if you're able to get it, because I love Catrice eyeliners. They're the best eyeliners out there. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to curl my lashes and do a mascara. My favorite mascara at the moment is the Clinique High Impact Mascara. It's one of my favorite mascaras out there. I don't have a lot of lashes, so I just try to work with what I have, but this one really separates the lashes and gives me like a really good finish. It's a bit more on the pricier end because I like, excuse me, it's a bit more on the pricier end because I like my eyeliners, my mascara to be more affordable. I like the ones from Maybelline, the Colossal Mascara, the, what is it called, the Angel? Something with Angel, it's really good. Of Sensational Lash, it's really good. It's a more affordable one, but I like this one the most right now, and I've been using it for almost a year. I'm gonna curl my lashes and do my mascara, and I'll be right back. So that's the eyes done, and then I finish off with my favorite lipstick, which is from NYX. It's the Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Copenhagen. I've used this for many years, and it's really... The thing I like about NYX lipsticks and their lip products is that it's really affordable and they're really good. Like, I don't want to spend 20, 30 euros on a lipstick if it can give me the same results for 5 euros when I buy a NYX one. And they have like a great color selection, so that's my makeup look done. I'm gonna try to zoom in. Bear with me, I'm just really new to this whole camera thing. Back in the day I just used my phone, so I'm just gonna try to zoom in into my eye so you can see how that looks. So that's the makeup look done. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see from me. If you want to see a tutorial on how I did my hair, because my hair is straight. It's a bit wavy, but my hair is straight, and I love doing this because I recently got short hair and I've been really loving styling it. So maybe I can do a tutorial on a hair tutorial. But if you want to see makeup videos, let me know. I know that some of you want to see a skincare video, but honestly I don't do much. Let me know and I'll just do the video. I really want to do and try and make more videos for you guys. For me, like honestly it's just for me. If I'm being honest. Other things that I want to talk about, so just let me know what kind of videos you want to see in the future. I really want to try and make more videos for you guys. Really looking forward to do more videos. Let me know and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.